Hello fellow traders, it's Rafał Zuchowicz and welcome to my channel. What a day for Palantir, isn't it? I was saying on one of the groups yesterday that today, and I'm anticipating a strong movement up, that today Palantir should get out of the clouds, and look what happened. Beautiful. Ichimoku will tell you the truth. We are getting out of the clouds, so I'm very excited. Last time we spoke about Palantir. Let's recap. What did we say? We said that we got a beautiful Hosoda's number 33. So 17 times 2 minus 1. We can see that 34 was occurring before, so this movement could be either 34 or 33. But since the news were on 11th, so I mean the Q2 earnings of Palantir, that was the day. Palantir tried to get out, I mean the shares tried to get out of the cloud, but unsuccessfully. We end up back in a cloud. But look at that. So that was our Chico. The Chico was hit with the Kijun and Tenkan. So that was the level here. The day after, it sort of closed above the cloud, as you can see. But this candle was a little bit not really to what we would expect it to be. But still a lot of buying. You can see these long wicks. So the buyers were there. The Palantir went down, there were buyers. The Palantir got to Tenkan, there were buyers. Yesterday there was a lot of struggle. I think the Palantir tried to close this gap, but unsuccessfully. So the gap is still here. But speaking of gaps, there is some other one, I think even like lower, much lower here. So yeah, we have another gap here. So these are the levels that I don't like when there are gaps in the past, that they are not closed. I like when everything is nice and clear, because market likes to come back, you know, and clear the air. So nature doesn't like the vacuum. And this is a vacuum, so it's trying to close it. Okay, back to current situation. So this is beautiful. Look, if we close today the way we are at the moment, this will be a very good scenario, because the Chico span is above the Kijun from 26 days ago. So this is a very good sign. I like it. And this is what we are looking for, because look at that, yeah? We hit Kijun, and then there was a massive, there was a significant pullback, yeah? For 3 days. So now, of course, we struggle here, but as well, we struggle with this level, NT. You can see that this level is respected by market. The market came before to this level, as well to the edge of Kumo. Then again here, it was sitting on this level for a long time. After breaking it and pulling back, the retest of the market is exactly to this NT level. What is this NT level? Why do I have it? Let's go to a weekly chart. Let's have a quick look. So basically, this is calculation of this one massive impulse that happened so far. And actually there were like one impulse, then there was a P wave, and then there was another one, but we treat it now as a collective, as a one impulse. And this is our pullback, our retracement. So when we run our calculation like that, that's how we get level NT. So for those of you who don't know what level NT is, how do you calculate it? Check my latest video. I was making like a special video for 20,000 subscribers. By the way, if you are not a subscriber to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Every time I hit some new levels, I give very good tips, very good Ichimoku secrets. As well as you can go to my website rafałzuchowicz.com and get 1 month free access to Skillshare courses. You can cancel within this 1 month and never pay a penny. I have 3 courses there. That's the one you are looking for. So forex trading with clouds, that's where I'm explaining all these levels, NT, NV, E, you name it. And lately I explain as well target S and target M. Okay, back to the Palantir chart. So this is important level. Let's keep eye on it, which we need to break. So what else is happening here? For now, we have as well reverse head and shoulders. So left side, we have 3 shoulders actually. There is a shoulder on this side, and hopefully the market will go up. But same situation was on gold. It was looking very promising, and then the gold didn't quite make it. It dropped all the way down, but this is classic gold. It's very manipulated commodity to trade. So it did a triple bottom and now it's going up. By the way, speaking of gold, Palantir yesterday, they bought gold bars apparently for 50 million. They are predicting crash on the markets. So am I. So yeah, they're buying gold. It's interesting news. I don't know how much this is of truth or importance for anything, or just, you know, media talking. So you buy the gold? No idea. But that's the news. Okay, so let's calculate. It's not the weekly, because calculating weekly, where is our next target? Our next target is at N, so 53, of course. Who wouldn't like that? If we are loaded with Palantir shares, we would like to see it on 53, even 100. But let's be more realistic for now, and let's run calculation based on current movement. So we have a current movement up, A, B, C. And now our target NV, you can see that Palantir took it by storm with all this news. Then it acted as a support together with Tenkan. So that's where we found support. That's where actually Palantir opened today. If we have a close look, why not? If we can do that, look, that was the opening of Palantir today, and now it struggles with another NT. But if we go back and we have a look what's next, what's a little bit higher, we can see that there is N, V, and E. Calculating that the bottom was at 17 times 2, so those of you guys who got in here after 100% of profit, you would like to take your profit, and 17 times 2 is 34. 34, look at that. This is our V target. So the V target might be significant in this movement. So we need to be careful at V. At N, it's important as well, because what we see, there was a pullback before and then we went up. So now this level over here, this close of the candle, this is exactly our N. So those of you who don't believe that there is some price action on the market, that there is some harmony, just have a look what's going on here. Yeah, all these levels, everything happening is happening because there is a harmony, because there is some intellect, meaning you and me investing in it, and we invest not just because I flip the coin, but because something is looking quite right. So this is E 3786. So that's another target. Of course, for now these targets are far away. The good signal for us is that today we got above the cloud so far. Again, we don't know, don't count the X before hatching, so we don't know how the candle will close. This one as well, I was making video, it was very nice, very high, although I didn't anticipate this day to be a day like of breaking the clouds. But, you know, at the end, it ended up this way. This candle for now is looking the way it does. So we will see. As I said, we need to close above the NT, retest it and go up. Later, break all these tops here. Once we break, there will be a breakthrough, retest, and then sky is the limit. Then we can achieve all these levels here. I will be more than happy to see Palantir do that. So this is it basically from me. I might make another interesting video today. I have a very nice screenshot, very interesting stuff to share with you. So let me know. Of course, this is not a recommendation for any trades, just to make it clear. Just me analyzing, sharing with you where I put my money. I put in Palantir long term, and for now I'm excited because we always get excited when there is some movement, when our money is working for us in a positive way and it's making profits. Okay, have a good one. All the best, guys, with your trading, and until the next video. Bye.